Is it possible to make banana bread with only 5 ingredients? It is. Let me show you how. But before I do, you need to know that this recipe is quick to make because the ingredients are combined and mixed in a blender, a small one or regular size blender for a double batch. It's really where the magic happens. To begin, you'll need gorgeous buckwheat groats. Soak them in water until soft, rinse, and strain. Secondly, a ripe or overripe naturally sweet banana. Frozen and thawed works too. Thirdly, organic hemp seeds to add extra nutrition. Did you know that hemp seeds are a great source of plant protein, fiber, and omegas? Fourthly, pure maple syrup, because well, I'm Canadian and love everything maple. Lastly, gluten-free baking powder to help you rise gluten-free egg-free bread. Blend until smooth, add-ins are optional, decorate if you want, bake until set, cool, and enjoy a slice of the super soft, tender banana bread. It's incredible.